Check out this 2006 Ford Explorer. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.